In a world where technology and screens dominate, we often forget the power of physical intimacy. Today, we explore the art of physical connection and its profound impact on relationships. Physical intimacy goes beyond the bedroom, it's a vital part of a loving relationship. Physical intimacy is about non-sexual, affectionate moments that create a sense of security and closeness. These small acts of affection are crucial to maintaining a deep emotional connection. Touch is a powerful form of communication in a relationship. A simple touch can convey support, understanding, and love better than words. Physical intimacy rekindles romance and keeps the spark alive. Plan romantic dates and intimate getaways to break away from routine and strengthen your bond. Physical intimacy isn't just emotionally rewarding, it has numerous health benefits. It can reduce stress, improve heart health, and boost your immune system. Finding the right balance in physical intimacy is key. Open communication about your desires and boundaries is essential to maintain a healthy, loving connection. In conclusion, physical intimacy is an art that can transform your relationship. It's about nurturing connection, understanding, and love. Take a moment today to express your affection physically, whether it's a warm hug, a loving touch, or a passionate kiss. Your relationship will thank you. Thank you for joining us on this journey of rediscovering the beauty of physical intimacy. Cherish it, nurture it, and watch your love grow.